Well, for the first time in just a few days, shots are fired in the capital city. This latest round of violence leaves a 39-year-old Providence man in serious condition. And now a friend of the victim is speaking only to Eyewitness News. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly joins us live in Providence with the latest on this developing news. Sean.
Yes, Elizabeth, a 39-year-old man is in Rhode Island hospital this noontime with 2 gunshot wounds, and the police are looking for the 2 men they say are responsible. It happened just after midnight here in the west end of Providence. The police say 2 men wearing black hoodies and bandanas over their faces got out of a car and walked up to a porch at 86 and 88 Althea Street and fired 2 shots. Both bullets hit 39-year-old Jeffrey Douglas. A woman named Stacy told Eyewitness News he's a lifelong family friend and that he was on the porch with her 17-year-old daughter and her 12-year-old niece. But Stacy says both men had guns and fired a total of 5 or 6 shots.
All of a sudden you heard a gunshot and everybody jumped up off the porch and started running in the house. And the older guy, my friend, he dove over my daughter and he took a bullet for my daughter. He took 2 bullets for my daughter, and right now he's in intensive care. And my niece, she had no place to run. She fell on the floor so that bullets wouldn't hit her. I was in the side window on the house on the computer, and there was a gentleman in the driveway. He shot right through my living room window. 1 bullet went flying right by my ear and hit the wall behind me, and another bullet went flying through the window frame and hit 2 walls, went through 2 walls and went into the next bedroom. The other guy comes walking out of the driveway, looked right at my face. I was like, what's going on? And I didn't know who he was, and I went, oh my God. And my son grabbed me and he was like, get in here, they're shooting the house. And he pulled me back into the house and he made me get on the floor. Nobody knows what happened, nobody knows why, nobody knows nothing.
Stacy says both bullets that hit her friend Jeffrey Douglas hit his left arm. One stayed in his left arm. The other went through his left arm and into his abdomen. That's why he's in intensive care right now at Rhode Island Hospital. Live at police headquarters with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.